Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Serena, owner and creator of Carter Custom, and here I like to help you try to organize, automize, and optimize your life using spreadsheets. Today I'm going to be showing you the Intermittent Fasting Planner. So when you open up the download, you're going to be opened up onto the instructions page. I always like to go up to File and make a copy so that I have a blank copy to work off of in case anything happens. Inside of the instructions, I've included links to my social platforms in case you would like to reach out if you have any questions or anything. And then there's detailed instructions on how to use the template. Along the bottom, you'll see all these different tabs, and we can go ahead and get started in the Dashboard tab. Here you can choose whether you would like to use pounds or kilograms, and your entire chart will update according. Then, if you'd like, you can choose to personalize by adding your name along the top. This is optional. You'll choose your starting date for when you're starting your weight loss journey. It does not need to be on the first of the month, and it doesn't need to be in January. Whatever month you choose will become your month one, and every month will go up from there. Then you can enter your starting weight and your height. Next, you'll enter your goal date for when you would like to reach your goal by and your goal weight. Everything else on this page is going to update automatically, so you only need to enter information in the cells that have white backgrounds. Here you're going to be able to see your starting BMI, your goal BMI, as well as you're entering your weights on the following pages, you're going to be able to see your current BMI based on the weights that you enter. Along the top here, you'll see a progress bar, and you'll also see your trend line for your weigh-ins. I've included a BMI classes index as well as milestones for as you're reaching these different milestones. They will automatically highlight for you. We'll go over and we'll hop into month one, and I'll just show you how to start planning. So for day start time, I always like to choose the time in the day where you wake up, and then that way you can accurately see from the time you wake up until your eating window begins. So you can set this as any time that you would like. And you can also choose whether you want your calendar that's along the left to start on Sunday or Monday. Again, you only need to alter cells that have white backgrounds. You'll see today's date as well as your total weight loss based on the weights that you've entered below. And you'll also see a progress bar for how much weight you have lost and how much left to lose. Along the left here, you will be able to plan your daily fasts. So you will choose your start time and your end time for each day, and it will tell you the type of fast that you're doing, so whether it's an 18-6 or a 20-4. Beside that, you can enter your weight if you choose to weigh daily, or you can pick one day a week to weigh or whatever you would like. Ultimately, whatever day that you weigh on, you will enter your weight here beside that. Your most current weight will be reflected on your dashboard. So even if your weight has increased, it will always put your most recent one on the dashboard and tell you your current BMI based off of that. Now, as you can see along the left here, everything is gray, and that's because I chose January as the first month, and we're actually in March. So if you are seeing that, you're possibly in the wrong month, and you can just go ahead and find the correct month that you're in, and you'll see that it is this lighter gray and today's date is highlighted. I'm going to go back to our first month just because that's where all the information I entered is. So along the left, you will see these tabs, and if you would like to view just 1 week at a time, you can collapse these tabs so that you can lower your view. This also makes it helpful if you decide that you want to print. Then you'll be able to print just the current week that you're working on. Now, if you would like to have a day where there is no eating window at all, you simply just highlight the times and you just delete them. You can even just do it one at a time. And if you delete them and there is no times in there, it's going to say that you're doing a 24-hour fast, and it's going to completely remove your eating window from the chart. And as you can see, as I'm entering my times here, it is automatically populating onto this chart to the right. Alright, so each month after this first month is exactly the same. And as you enter weights and all of that into all of these months, they will automatically populate onto your dashboard. And you will be able to see all of your progress and everything here, as well as each month also includes your current progress bar, today's date, and your total weight loss. I hope that you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I hope that it was helpful and gave you the insight for how to use this template. I'm excited for you to get started on your intermittent fasting journey, and I am excited to hear about how you feel about this template, so please feel free to leave any comments below or reach out to me and just let me know. Thank you so much for watching.